Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to scan documents using Dropbox, and we'll walk through the updated simple steps to make this process quick and seamless. Whether you're organizing important papers or saving receipts, Dropbox makes it easy to digitize and store your documents right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. If you don't have it already, make sure to download it from your App Store and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the app, look for the plus sign. That's the plus button. It's usually located at the bottom center or bottom right of the screen, depending on your device. Tap on that button to bring up your options. Next, you'll see a menu that includes options like uploading files, creating new folders, and much more. Here, select the option labeled Scan Document. This feature turns your phone's camera into a handy scanner, so go ahead and position your camera over the paper or document you want to scan. When you're ready, tap the capture button. The app will snap the image just like a photo, but then it allows you to adjust the edges and corners of the scan to make sure the document fits perfectly. You can also rotate or crop the image if needed, ensuring your scanned document looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with the look of your scan, tap Save. Dropbox will then upload your scanned document directly into the app, storing it securely in the cloud. You can organize it into folders, share it with others, or access it anytime from any device with your Dropbox account. That's all there is to it. Scanning documents in Dropbox has never been easier or more convenient. This updated process helps you go paperless faster and ensures your important files are safe and accessible wherever you are. Give it a try the next time you need to digitize a document and see just how simple it is. Thanks for watching.